It seems that our politicians have a lot to offer us. From fake degrees to political rivalries, they keep the public busy and amused with their political stunts. Latest in the series is the case of fake attendance in the Punjab Assembly. The session started around 10 in the morning with acting Speaker Rana Mashood demanding the attendance register as first task of the day. An uproar by Punjab Law Minister Rana Sanaullah drew everyone's attention after the register arrived. Sanaullah pointed out that 22 assembly members were marked present in the register, but were actually not present in the assembly.
वो एक ही बंदे ने दस्तखत किए हुए हैं, एक ही कलम है और यकीनन वो एक कौन हो सकता है?
Ministers who already marked present had to face an embarrassing moment when they chose to show up later.
मैं अब गया था किसी काम के लिए, ये LDA के ऑफिस है, अब वहाँ से वापस आ रहा हूँ.
ये तो पूछना पहले पड़ेगा किसने ये मेहरबानी की है.
On the other hand, those who showed up at the assembly session on time did not spare the fraudulent act of their counterparts. They raised their voice against them and severely criticized them.
जिन लोगों की प्रॉक्सीज लगी हुई हैं उसकी इंक्वायरी भी होनी चाहिए और उनके खिलाफ पीनल एक्शन भी होना चाहिए.
मोहब्बत और चाहत का ये इजहार मेरे ख्याल में असेंबली में इस कदर नहीं होना चाहिए कि इसमें प्रॉक्सी लगाई जाए.
Punjab Law Minister Rana Sanaullah blamed officials of the Assembly Secretariat and requested the acting Speaker to hold an inquiry.
तो मुझे तो ऐसा महसूस हुआ है कि कुछ अहलकारान जो हैं वो लालच की बुनियाद के ऊपर इस चीज़ में मुलव्वस हैं.
One assembly member gets 2,000 to 3,000 rupees as TADA for attending the session. Some MPAs have also revealed that many of their colleagues also receive money from the government over fake medical bills. Reporting by Fatima Ali for Express 24/7.